Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will cover these downloads and setups. We will start with Java 17. This will be followed by the latest version of Eclipse. Further in the video, we will install the Cucumber plugin in Eclipse. Towards the end, we will create a Maven project and add the required dependencies to it. Okay, let's get started. Let us search for download Java. The first link is from oracle.com. Let us click on this. Here we have options to download JDK 21, JDK 17. Since we need JDK 17, so let us click here. So now we need to choose the link as per our platform. Since I am on Windows, so I will click on Windows. Here we are getting three choices. We could make use of any of these choices to set up Java on our system. In first option, we will get a zip file. This is a choice that we will use to set up Java. For option number 2 and 3, we will get an installer. As we see the option number 2, we will get an exe file, and option number 3, we will get a MSI file, and these will have an installer. Okay, since I would be using this option, so let us download using this link. Let us wait for Java to get downloaded. Okay, let us now go to the folder where it has got downloaded. This is the file which has got downloaded. We could set this up in any location. I will be setting it up in D drive. First we need to unzip this file. So for that, let me go inside this by saying JDK. So now we need to select this and we will see this option extract all. Since we need to extract this in D drive, so we will put that path here and now we'll click on extract. So as we see, JDK has got extracted here. If we say Java minus version or we say Java C minus version, we are not getting any results. This is because Java is not yet set up on the system. So we need to go to environment variables, and here we need to click on environment variables, and then in the user variables we need to say new, and here we need to say Java underscore home, and here we need to provide the path up till D drive JDK 1709. So as we see in this path we have the bin directory. So we have to give the path that has the bin directory. Next we need to edit the path variable here. We need to say new and we need to give the path here for Java home and we need to say /bin. So once again we have to launch the Windows so that the new environment variables come into effect. Yeah, so now if we say Java C minus version, so we see it is showing 1709. This is a version which we have downloaded. Similarly, if we say Java minus version, it is showing 1709. So with this, our Java is successfully configured on our system. Let us now download Eclipse. As we see, the first link is from eclipse.org. Let us click on this link. Here we get two options. If we use this orange color button, it will download an exe file. So this exe file will give us prompts to install the Eclipse. The second option is to download the Eclipse as a zip file. We could do that by clicking on this link. I will be using this option in the video. Feel free to use any of these options. Here, as we see, the Eclipse is offered in different packages. We will be using Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Further, as we see, we have the packages for different platforms. So we need to choose the platform as per our requirement. Since I am on Windows, so I will choose Windows x86 64. Here, as we see, we are having a link to download the zip file. So let us click on this and download. Let us go to the folder where it has got downloaded. We could extract it at any location. I'll be setting it up in D drive. So let us go inside this folder. Here when we select this, we get this option extract all. So let us click on this. Since I want to set it up in D drive, so let me type D drive here, and now we will extract. As we see, it has got extracted. Let us launch Eclipse by double clicking it. Here we need to provide the path for the workspace. A workspace comprises of one or more Eclipse projects. We could either use this path or we could customize it. Let us now move further and configure the Java which we have installed in Eclipse. So for that, let us go to Windows, Preferences, and here we need to go to Java, and under Java we need to set up the JDK and JRE. So let's go to compiler to set the JDK. As we see, it's already set to 17. If it is not set to JDK 17, we could change it from this drop down. Let us now move to install JREs. As we see, it is not set to JDK 17, so let us choose JDK 17. Let us now click on apply and close. With this, our Eclipse setup is complete. Let us now move further and install the Cucumber plugin. So this plugin will help us to write the feature files, and it will also provide the linkage between the feature files and the step definition files. We'll get to know more about this in upcoming videos. So for that, let us go to help and let us go to Eclipse Marketplace. Now here let us search for Cucumber. So this is a plugin that we need to install. So let us click on install. Let us accept this and click on finish. As we see, it is getting installed. Let us wait for the installation to complete. Let us select this and let us click on trust selected. Let us select this. Let us click here. Let us wait for the installation to get complete. Okay. It should now relaunch the Eclipse. So now the installation for the Cucumber plugin is complete. We could confirm it by going to Eclipse Marketplace. If we now search for Cucumber, it shows that it is already installed. Let us now move further and create a new Maven project. For that, we need to go to File, New, Maven. Here we need to select this option, create a simple project. Let us click on next. We could provide any group ID or artifact ID. So for example, now let us click on finish. So this will create the Maven project for us. So as we see, the Maven project has got created. Also the Maven has created these folders for us. So in pom.xml, we will mention all the dependencies that are required for the project. These dependencies will be downloaded from the repository. The repository could be local or remote depending upon your configuration. So here we need to add the dependencies tag. Inside the dependencies tag, we need to add the dependencies. Let us add the dependencies one by one. So let us search for Selenium, WebDriver, Maven, dependency. So here the first link is from MVN repository. Let us click on this. So here we see the latest version is 4.16.1. So let us click on this. Here we need to select this. As soon as we click here, it gets copied to the clipboard. So let us now go back to the Eclipse, and inside the dependencies tag, we need to paste this. So we have added the Selenium Java dependency with version 4.16.1 in our pom.xml. Similarly, let us add the Cucumber dependency. If we go back and search for Cucumber dependency here, so let us click on this link. Here we get to see Cucumber Java. We need to install Cucumber Java and Cucumber JUnit. So let us install them one by one. So as we see, the latest version is 7.15.0. So let us click on this and let us click here. So we have got the dependency copied. So let us paste it in the pom.xml. Similarly, let us click on Cucumber JUnit and let us select 7.15.0 and let us click here. So it has got copied to the clipboard. So let us go back to the pom.xml and paste the dependency here. So with this, we have added Cucumber JUnit version 7.15.0, Cucumber Java version 7.15.0 and Selenium Java 4.16.1. Now when we will save this file, Maven will download these libraries from Maven repository and we will get to see a folder for Maven created here. Let us save and see. So as you see, the files are getting downloaded, and as we see, the Maven dependencies folder has got added. So this will have all the libraries and it will also have the dependent libraries added. So with this, our Maven setup is complete. Let us quickly see what we have covered in the video. We downloaded and did a setup for Java 17 and the latest version of Eclipse. Then in the Eclipse, we installed the Cucumber plugin. This is a plugin which will help us to create the feature files and link the feature files with the step definition files. We'll get to know more about this in upcoming videos. Further, we created a Maven project. We also understood the importance and usage of pom.xml file. We added the Selenium and Cucumber dependencies to it. With this, we have covered the planned items for this video. I hope this video was useful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any queries. I'll get back to you soon. Thank you.